Happy good morning! Today I'm going to show you how to make a recycled craft. I turned a mini applesauce container into two unique fall crafts, an adorable apple wreath and a darling harvest basket, just in time for the autumn season. In another video, I'll show you how to make more matching apple harvest crafts. Let's get started. Start with a clean container. Use scissors to cut the top ridge and set it aside. Our first craft is the apple basket. Since it's such a small container, I decided to use nail polish to paint the basket.
Ooh, so sparkly!
I started by painting the entire basket with an off-white color. I removed my paint swatches and then painted the bottom as well. I used a sparkly brown color to paint the joints. I really like this red color. It was my reason for using fingernail polish on this project. Be sure to paint the inside of the rim too. I cut two ovals from red scrapbook paper. Glue one label on each side. Our second craft is the mini apple wreath. I used twine to wrap around the rim and help hold it in place with binder clips. I sealed the opening with tape and used hot glue to secure the twine in place. Next, we'll braid the twine. I used a binder clip to secure the twine to my craft mat. Use hot glue to secure the ends of the braid and begin gluing the braid to the ring. I wanted to add some texture, so I untwisted the ends of the twine. I decided I wanted to add more dimension to the wreath, so I added some more twine. Don't worry, we'll cover up all this glue.
Wow, things are really unraveling fast around here.
Next, I cut out 3 apples, stems, and leaves using scrapbook paper. I like the sparkle of the leaves so much, I used my nail polish to make matching apples. I really think this adds some pizzazz to the look of the apples. I cut back on some of the ends until I got a look that I liked. I felt like the wreath needed something more, so I decided to add a cute little bow. I just love how quick and easy these two crafts were to make. Best of all, they were completely free. In another video, I'll show you how I made this tiny apple tree, complete with swing and ladder. I'll also show you how I made the delicious looking mini apples to help fill your basket and add a touch of brightness to your tree.
Those apples look yummy.
Be sure to check out my video series on how to make this vintage farm truck to help haul away your harvest. More videos to come, so be sure to check back for more apple-themed farmhouse decor. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming day, and I'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!